How many you want, buddy?
I want 6 with nuts and 6 without.
Okay, you got 2 rolls?
Yeah.
You still have 3 rolls? Alright, give me 5. Oh, baby. Look at that. You this woman. Okay, thank you.
Cookies. Which just came out?
Nuts. That's all I have is nuts. So that's all I have is nuts.
I think there are 10 of those.
10 nuts.